Planning a move in Onslow County, North Carolina? Whether it's Jacksonville, Sneads Ferry, or nearby areas, moving can feel overwhelming. But with the right planning, it doesn't have to be. Hi, this is 3 Movers, and today we'll cover quick tips for a smooth move in Onslow County. Book your move ahead of time. Onslow County moves can involve traffic, military housing schedules, or HOA rules. Early planning ensures trucks and crews are ready when you need them. Use sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and moving blankets, especially for fragile items. Label each box by room. Smart packing protects your belongings and makes unloading faster. Professional movers save time and prevent injuries. They know how to handle stairs, tight driveways, and large furniture safely, keeping your home and belongings protected. Moving in Onslow County doesn't have to be stressful. With planning, smart packing, and professional help, your move can be smooth and worry-free. Visit 3movers.com/North-Carolina/Onslow-County/ for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.